What's up, guys? Well, today we got something different, something a bit more instant. As you can see, we kind of strapped in and enjoying ourselves. So what we got is 2009 Suzuki Swift Sport, and this is no ordinary Suzuki Swift Sport, because this one is a wide body and it's supercharged. So Swifts are very capable cars, and when you add supercharger into the mix, it's even more fun. I'll show you around. Let's see what we think. We got carbon bonnet. Let's undo these bad boys. Let's see what's underneath. Oh, this one's a bit stiff. Very stiff. Or is it just me not knowing how to operate things? And there goes the camera, as you do. Yeah, let's see what's underneath there. There's a latch. Yeah, this is what we got. Monster supercharged. Little weapon. So the usual Swift stuff. And then you got this thing here. As you can see, makes all the difference. Right, that is it, guys. As you can see, little pocket rocket, so to say, little Swift that could. And those supercharger noises are just something else. Love it, love it. Alright guys, for more and for MX5 build or random stuff we do, subscribe, follow, comment for more, and let us know what you think on this one. I think it's a really well built little weapon. Cheers guys, see you later.